Hey folks, this is Adrian Doko with AUVSI Lone Star, and today we want to present to you a special guest. We have Aiden from Sensefly, and we have the eBeeX here. So Aiden, can you tell us about this cool piece of drone tech?
Sure. First of all, thanks Adrian for having us out here. It's great to be in the Dallas area, and I'm excited to bring the eBeeX to you guys, and we had a great demo day today. To give you guys a quick run through of this device, the eBeeX is a fixed wing belly landing device that is hand launched. It can fly up to 90 minutes with the right configuration.
Oh wow.
It's made for high precision mapping. We have multiple different sensors, RGB, multispectral, and a thermal option as well.
All right, Aiden, so this is a phenomenal piece of drone tech here. What differentiates this platform from a lot others in the market?
Sure, it's a great question. This device is extremely lightweight, it's extremely easy to use, it's extremely portable. So for those guys lugging out those heavy equipment, this is less than 10 pounds.
That's phenomenal. So I'm super excited. Let's see what we can do with this thing. Let's go ahead and send it.
Let's go out and fly.